The moment I woke up today, I decided to push myself into a challenge that almost felt impossible. Make 5,000 in just 24 hours using nothing but free AI tools. No money invested, no previous client lined up, just my laptop, my determination, and a countdown timer that started the second I hit record. The rule was simple: if AI couldn't help me earn, I had to show the entire failure openly. But if it worked, I wanted to prove to everyone watching that anyone with a phone or laptop could literally copy this method and start today. As soon as the timer began, I started by asking AI to generate a list of profitable digital services people are actively searching for. I needed something quick, something that doesn't require expert-level skills. AI suggested logo design, social media templates, caption writing, and small business branding. I instantly knew logo creation would be the fastest way because businesses always need it, and AI can generate designs in seconds. So I used an AI design generator, created 20 professional logo samples, and saved them to form a mini portfolio. The best part? I hadn't designed a single logo myself. AI did all the heavy lifting. Now came the toughest part: finding customers in real time. I posted my logo samples in local business groups, Instagram pages, WhatsApp status, and freelancing platforms. For the first hour, no one replied. My confidence was shaking because the clock was running fast. But around the 2-hour mark, I received my first DM from a small business owner who needed a simple but clean logo. I immediately customized one of the AI-generated designs, sent him 3 variations, and within minutes he sent the payment. I had officially earned my first 5,000 of the challenge. The funny thing is, once I posted that I completed one order, people trust results more than promises, and since I was delivering fast, word spread quickly. I kept using AI to generate more customized designs, and clients were shocked at how fast I could deliver. By the end of hour 12, I closed 3 more clients, each paying between 800 and 2,000. I was starting to believe that maybe, just maybe, the target wasn't impossible. When the final hours of the challenge arrived, I had earned 6,200. More than my goal, more than my expectation, and definitely more than what most people think AI can do for beginners. The shocking part is how simple the process was once I learned how to use the tools properly. I didn't need to be a designer, didn't need complicated software, and didn't need massive experience. All I needed was consistency, quick communication, and smart use of AI. This 24-hour challenge taught me one powerful lesson: the people who succeed are not always the most skilled, they're the ones who start. If you're watching this, you can literally copy the same steps and start earning today. No excuses, no waiting. And if you want me to try 10,000 next, comment 24-hour money below, and I'll take on the next challenge.